You've worked your whole life to be in the home that you are. You love your home. You've worked hard to be in that home. You've toiled to make payments on that home for 20, 30 years. You raised your kids in this home. You love this home. It's a part of you. And now you're sitting there and you're retired. You're probably living potentially month to month on your Social Security income or some sort of fixed income. And it's hard. And your monthly cash flow is tight. You've got this wonderful asset, this home that you love. You've built up all this equity because you've been making payments on this home for 20, 30 years or longer. It's time to let your home work for you. Take a second look at the reverse mortgage. A reverse mortgage, I know, gets a bad reputation. I know people think that the bank's going to take your home when you pass away and you're no longer living in the home. That stuff is just not true. A reverse mortgage allows you to stay on your home. You remain on title. Whatever equity is left over when you're gone can be received by the kids once they sell the home and pay off your reverse mortgage. But the big key is a reverse mortgage lets you use a portion of your home equity that you've built up, and it lets your home and your home's equity work for you by letting you live there and having no monthly mortgage payment. It lets you receive potentially a monthly income. It can even allow for you to have a line of credit, a pot of money like a savings account that you can draw from, that you can use as needed. That's not going to be considered income. You're not going to be taxed on that because it's part of a loan. And so it gives you a safety net. It gives you financial cushion that you otherwise wouldn't have. So if you're sitting in this great home that you love, that you'd like to stay in, that you'd like to try to live in the rest of your life, that you've built up a bunch of equity in, a reverse mortgage can really be a difference maker when you're retired and you want to continue living this home. Because let's face it, we love our homes. This is where we raised our kids. This is where we've spent a majority of our lives oftentimes. Use this in a strategic way to help you live out the remainder of your life, to make a difference. Everyone wants to live in their home and be happy and to be able to do more things and to have less financial stress. That's what a reverse mortgage does. It's a financial planning tool. So put your house to work for you.